Hello everyone, this is a demo of unit conversion project. So first we can go quickly through our code which is written in Python programming language. So this is the unit conversion project code. Now we can execute this code using terminal. After executing this project, we will get a screen like this, which is nothing but the output of this Python project called as unit conversion project. So this type which we have mentioned all the quantities that is listed here, for example length unit, temperature unit, time unit and weight units. So you need to select one of these things. So if we choose temperature units, then we will get the units input unit to be like Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin, and also you need to choose the output unit that you need to convert, and after that you need to provide the value and you just need to hit the button convert, so you can get the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Similarly, we have the quantities for others also, like for example length units, we have the certain units, for example meter, centimeter, millimeter, kilometer. So if we want to convert kilometer to yard as an output unit, then you just need to provide some value and just you need to hit the button convert, so you will get the kilometer to yard conversion. After that, if we use the time units, and supposedly if you want to convert hours to day, then similarly you have to provide the given value and you will get the required result. If you want to reset all these things, then we have the functionality of reset button also. So after clicking the reset button, you will get the original functionality. Thank you.